So now we want to learn how can we import CSV files into our studio, and also we're gonna demonstrate how can you get your working directly so it can be easier to access that CSV file. So if you want to read the CSV file in R, say for example we want to create this data set, and to read a CSV file we're gonna use read.csv, right? Then we provide a file path. But if that file is already saved in your working directly, you can simply just specify the file name. And if you press on the tab, if that file is saved on your working directly that you are working on, you should be able to press the tab and R will autofill that with that name of the CSV file. So to get your working directly, you can say get working directly, right? So this will provide you with the working directly, right? You can also use set working directly, and here you will provide that specific location where you want maybe to store your CSV files. Okay, but in this case my CSV file already exists in the working directly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say df equal to read.csv, and this is the CSV file that I want to read, and I'm going to run this, and I'm going to say head CSV. So this is the CSV file. Okay, so this is how you can get your working directly, or you can set your working directly and be able to read your CSV file.